Welcome to YouTube and welcome back to Outomotive Drive. Today, we're diving into the future with something that blends power, luxury, and bold ambition in one aggressively styled package. This is the all-new 2026 BMW X10, and if you thought BMW was done redefining automotive identity, think again. This vehicle is more than just a statement, it's a message from the future, delivered today. Let's begin with the design, which breaks away from the familiar. The 2026 BMW X10 looks like it's arrived from a decade ahead. A full-size SUV with coupe-like curves and commanding road presence, the X10 is built on BMW's next-generation modular platform, which integrates advanced lightweight materials with smart aerodynamics. The kidney grille? It's massive, but in the X10, it works. Illuminated with laser-etched LED surrounds and finished in black chrome, it's not just a grille. It's a face that demands attention, whether you're pulling up to a high-rise or leaving a trail of dust on a mountain pass. The headlights are razor-sharp, fully adaptive laser matrix beams that can project information onto the road surface. The entire vehicle is sculpted with active air channels that respond to driving conditions in real time, reducing drag and enhancing cooling when needed. 23-inch alloy wheels come standard, with carbon ceramic brakes hiding behind them. The stance is wide, low, and muscular, and everything about this SUV says, power with purpose. Step inside, and the experience gets even more futuristic. The cabin of the X10 is a silent sanctuary that doesn't just isolate you from the outside world, it redefines what you expect from a luxury SUV. Gone is the traditional dashboard. Instead, you get a sweeping panoramic OLED display that stretches from A-pillar to A-pillar, incorporating driver information, infotainment, climate control, and ambient mood responses. The new iDrive 10 operating system features AI-generated driver preferences that adapt not just to your routine, but to your mood, weather, and even traffic patterns. Seats? Think more like command thrones. The front ones are fully ventilated, heated, massaging, and finished in vegan leather or optional crystal-stitched Alcantara. Rear passengers aren't left out either, there's individual touchscreen control panels, powered leg rests, and even immersive 4D audio via headrest speakers that adjust to each person's preferred sound profile. The ambient lighting system syncs with the vehicle's driving mode, the music, and even your heart rate using smart wearable integration. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X10 offers a range of powertrains. The flagship M60i xDrive model comes with a hybridized 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 750 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km/h? Just 3.4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 305 km/h, but with the M Drivers package, that can be unlocked further. BMW also offers a fully electric variant, dubbed the X10 eDrive 70, which uses dual motors and a 120 kWh solid-state battery offering up to 800 km of range on a single charge and full recharge capability in under 15 minutes using BMW's HyperCharge technology. Drive dynamics are handled by BMW's new X-adaptive suspension system. It learns. It remembers. It adjusts every 0.001 seconds to keep you flat in corners, smooth on broken pavement, and elevated in off-road settings. Whether you're cruising down the Autobahn or winding through tight alpine switchbacks, the X10 feels smaller than it is, agile, responsive, and confident. Rear-wheel steering, dynamic torque vectoring, and predictive terrain response make it a class leader in control. Safety? It's Level 3 autonomous ready, and with BMW's Drive Shield 360 system, it combines LiDAR, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and AI-based prediction models to anticipate threats before they happen. This SUV doesn't just react. It foresees. This vehicle isn't for everyone, and that's the point. The 2026 BMW X10 is for those who demand more from every aspect of their drive. More power. More luxury. More connection. More presence. Whether you're a family of 5 or a solo road warrior, the X10 adapts. It transforms. It becomes what you need it to be. And that's what BMW has always stood for: driving forward, never resting, always evolving. The 2026 BMW X10 isn't just a new model. It's a new mindset. From its intelligent design to its cutting-edge tech and power-packed performance, it's clear that this is more than an SUV. It's a new chapter in driving. That's it for today's deep dive into the future of BMW with the stunning 2026 X10. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below telling us your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe to Outomotive Drive for more exclusive content from the world of cars, concepts, and cutting-edge mobility. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep driving forward.